again. It's a rhinestone.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today is an exciting video. I've got a little haul for you. It's quite a big haul actually. I have split it into two. I may even split it into 3 different categories. So this video is actually sponsored by Temu, so a massive thank you to Temu for sponsoring this video. Just to quickly explain a little bit about what Temu is. I'm sure you've all heard of it or seen it, or everybody's doing hauls. Temu is an online marketplace with really competitive prices. It's a little bit like Amazon. Everything from nail art, products and supplies, kitchenware, stuff for your garden, your house, bedding, clothes, trainers, pet supplies, anything you can think of, they've got it on there, and their prices are crazy. For anybody that hasn't ordered off Temu, if you are a new user, there's a new user link in my description box. If you download the app using that link, new users get, I think it's 50% off your first order. New users get huge savings. All the information will all be in my description box. Definitely well worth checking out. So, I'm just going to get on with it. So I think this first haul, I'm going to keep it to rhinestone, nail charms and crystals and stuff like that. And we'll see how far we get, shall we? Right, first, I got this. I did some nail designs where I really needed rainbow rhinestones. I wanted to do rainbow cuticle cuffs on a couple of sets of nails, and I didn't have, I think it was orange I was short on, and I saw these and I thought, brilliant. I'm also going to stick prices of everything on the screen, guys, just so you can see there and then how much they are. So let's have a look at these. Right, so these are glass rhinestones as well. Look how sparkly these are. Have I got them upside down? Probably. My gosh, they were so difficult to get open. Right, so these are all glass rhinestones. Orange was the ones I was short on. And they're so sparkly. They're cute, aren't they? So cheap as well. Look how sparkly they are. I'm really happy with them. And for the price, oh my gosh. So I'm going to stick with things that are in pots first. I got these because I wanted love hearts in rainbow colours. Not necessarily neon, but I wasn't too bothered. And I was going to buy a big pack of love hearts, but I thought I'll get these because it's got the big hearts and little hearts. It's got 2 containers of big hearts and little hearts. And then it's got the hollow hearts. And this one has also got stars, hollow and the tiny inside stars. And then it's got these stars in different sizes. And 4 pointed stars. I've never seen the 4 pointed stars in these neons. And then we've got alphabet letters, numbers. Aren't they cool? And then we've got all different size circles, butterflies, big butterflies, little butterflies. And then we've got the flowers. And there's loads. I'll never get through all them. Right, and what I also got, because I wasn't sure about these, I got these ones as well. Because I thought these were more rainbow colours, but I think they're the same. No, they're not. They're a different texture. These are completely matte, like paper. These ones, they've got more of a shine on them. These are very nice. These are all just one size. I like these. Yeah, these are a different texture. These are more like a sheeny, shiny. Whereas they are like, just like paper. They're definitely different. Love these. I got some of these. I have been seeing these about, and they look really cool. So they're like caviar beads, I suppose, but they're obviously plastic. All different sizes. Little pastel colours. Yeah, they're just like little plastic balls, aren't they? I thought they'd be quite cool to do some things with. And I got these because this year I've been doing birth signs and birthstone series, and I thought next year I'll do the Zodiac series. And these are all the Zodiac constellations, aren't they? So I thought they'd come in handy next year. Some of them have got teeny tiny little stars on as well. They're cute. I really like them. Cool. And I got a pack of these. I recently got a chain in one of my monthly mystery boxes and I loved it. I thought it was really smart. So I got a pack of 6 and these are all different colours. This one is like a blue but it shifts to a purple. The stones on it are bluey purple colour shifting. That one's like a plum colour. And then this is blue but it's got some AB ones mixed in with it. That one's more like a pink, clear. And this one's like a peachy, champagne kind of colour. These are really smart. I like that. So we got those. I got some of these. I have got some, but only a tiny amount. And I wanted to sugar a nail in Pixie Crystals the other day, but I didn't have enough. So this is just full of AB Pixie Crystals. You can get these in different colours as well. And they are beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are so sparkly. The camera does these no justice. They are so sparkly. And they've got that beautiful AB colour shift. These are beautiful to sugar onto a nail. And that's a big pot. I like them. I might actually get the clear ones as well. They're beautiful. I like them. And they're nice and handy in this little pot. Oh, it goes through me. Let's just do it quickly, quick. They're nice and handy in this little pot, aren't they? I do like them. Cool. Right, and I got these. They're both pastel colours. I've got loads of these in gold and silver. But not in this colour. How cool are these? And you can get these in bigger ones. You can get them in the square ones. They're just metal frames. Are they curved? Ever so... yeah, they are slightly curved. Yeah, I wish I would have got the bigger ones, but I'll get some more next time. You can get them in the bigger frames, square frames, rectangle frames. I just got them in this size. And you can put these on a nail and put whatever you want in the middle. Never seen them in coloured ones, so I'm happy with them. And I got these to match. Let me empty these. I've wanted some of these for ages actually, but they were quite expensive on AliExpress. Not on Temu, they're so much cheaper. These are metal as well and they're slightly curved. And they're all just different shaped crosses. Look at these teeny tiny blue ones. They're cute. I like these white snowflakes. These are going to be beautiful for Christmas. These white snowflakes. Yeah, I like these teeny tiny little blue crosses. I love these pink ones, purple ones. They're pretty. They would match. They would go together. They would go together on a set of nails beautifully, wouldn't they? So we got those. Right, I also got these little strawberry charms. I saw Natalie Mugridge last year. She did a strawberries and cream set. And they just looked like these. They're not the same. Hers was out of a Posh Swarovski mix. But these are so similar. I think these are resin. But they actually look metal. I thought they were. They look really good, don't they? And they're not actually that big. They're bigger than I thought they were going to be, but they're not actually that big. Aren't they cute? I really like them. Right, then I'm going to have to take all these out. These were in a pack of 4. So you get a gold and a silver in the transparent. And you get a gold and a silver with the pink. And they're 4-pointed stars. Aren't they just gorgeous? And the rhinestones, again, are really sparkly. And they're curved again, so they would sit flat on your nail. Relatively flat. Yeah, so you get a gold and a silver in the pink. And then a gold and a silver in the clear. They're beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? Right, then I got some more. These are like stars or flowers. Cross between a star and a flower, I think. So this one's a pack of 10. And yeah, these are like just 4-leafed. Yeah, I'd say they're more of a flower than a star. They're not really a star, are they? But you could put a rhinestone in the middle of these. Any colour rhinestone you wanted, couldn't you? And you can get these in gold and silver. Yeah, you could put any colour rhinestone you wanted in the middle of them. I could even put one of these in the middle if I wanted to turn them cutesy, colourful. Couldn't you? They're different. I've not seen them before. Then I got these. These are actually the same as them, but with rhinestones. Right, so this one is a pack of 5. So these are the same as them. Can you see? It's got the 4 petals, but this has got a rhinestone in between each petal. And again, I think they had these in the gold and the silver as well. These are curved, so these would sit flat on your nail as well. They're beautiful. Yeah, they are. They're exactly the same as them, aren't they? Except they've got the rhinestones in between the petals. They're beautiful. I like them a lot. There was a pack of 5. Right, then I got these guys. Wait and see these. Oh, these are teeny tiny little padlocks with keys. Little dangly keys with rhinestones. Oh, they're so cute. They would even look cute put on a necklace or a bracelet. So you could stick the padlock to the knee. Yeah, stick it to your knee. Why knee? Stick the padlock to your nail and you could have the key dangly. Oh, I had to get them. You know I'm obsessed with anything miniature. Had to get them. They are so cute and so sparkly again. Stick them to your knee. Where the hell did that come from? I have actually got my knee strapped up. I've had my knee strapped up for over a week. It needs operating on. But I didn't even have that on my brain, so I can't even use that as an excuse. Don't know where that came from. Strap it to your knee. Nope. Right, and then these as well. This again is a pack of 2. Look at these. So it's a little love art. And they've got swords. Dangly swords. Aren't they pretty? Again. So cute. And so different. Love them. I love them. Right, let's get a move on. Right, I've just put some of these hollow bags to the back because it's really messing with my lighting. Right, and lastly, I think I'm going to wrap it up now. I got a few bits for Halloween because it is coming up to Halloween. It's going to be Halloween before we know it. These came in a pack of 2. These are adorable. Little skulls, rhinestones. Again, they're so sparkly. And they've got a little black crown. Do you know what I think I might do? Even the mouth has got teeny tiny little rhinestones. I think I'm going to paint just one of them. I'll keep one black. But this black crown, I'm going to get a teeny detailer brush out. And I'm going to give him a pink crown. She. Then we've got his and hers. Mr. and Mrs. She is going to have a pink crown when I've finished with her. And maybe pink lipstick. We shall see. But she's getting DIY'd up to a pink crown. Aren't they cute? Right, and I also got these for Halloween. These are bats. These are not actually the bats I wanted. The bats I wanted, when I got to checkout, they were out of stock. So I had to swap them out for these. But these are still very pretty. Again, these are curved. Again, I might customise one of them to pink and keep one black. They're cute, aren't they? Right, then we got some spiders. So this was a pack of 10 actually. These are going to be so cool because its legs are together at the top like that. These are going to be so cool to do a spider web, like it's hanging off a spider web on your nail, aren't they? Even them, you could put a rhinestone in the middle, glue a rhinestone on, and you can have them any colour you want. And they're not that big either. They're really not that big. I've only got small nails on. They're not huge. Oh, yeah, they're not huge, are they? I like them a lot. Not seen them in that shape before, the spiders. And lastly, this is the last item for today, guys. So this is a pack of 10. I have got some of these, but mine are bigger. These are really small ones. And these grip really nice on your nail. They kind of sit. I can't do it. They kind of sit really nice on your nail, look. Oh, aren't they cute? And again, look how sparkly they are. Very, very sparkly. Yeah, I have got some of these, but mine are bigger. They're so cute. They're really cute. I like them. Super sparkly. Who's excited for Halloween already? I am. Right, guys, that is it. I'm going to leave it there. I will leave links to everything in my description box. Don't forget, if you are a new user and you've not ordered anything yet off Temu, I'll leave a link below that says new user. And if you order through that link or download the app through that link, you'll get a massive 50% off your order. Take advantage of all these codes and links, guys, because there's huge savings on this app. It is crazy. But yeah, anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will upload part 2. I'm not going to do it straight away. I'll leave it for a couple of days. But keep your eye out for that. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.